The build alternative that was selected as the preferred alternative and analyzed in the environmental assessment includes 2 express lanes in each direction between SH 45 North and Mopac, a 4th general purpose lane where only 3 exist now, flyovers between the 183 North Mobility Project Express lanes and RM 620, as well as between the 183 North Mobility Project Express lanes and the Mopac North Express lanes, an extension of the entrance ramp between Oak Knoll Drive and Duval Road, and more than $5 million for safe connectivity for bicyclists and pedestrians throughout the corridor. As you can see from the slide, express lanes use a variable toll to maintain traffic flow by raising the toll when traffic is heavy and lowering the toll when traffic is light. The express lanes alternative came out of the evaluation process as the preferred alternative because it best meets the purpose and need for the study by managing congestion by using variable toll pricing in the express lanes, providing non-tolled, reliable routes for public transit buses, registered van pools, and emergency vehicles, and facilitating reliable emergency response. Traffic modeling indicates that the preferred alternative would result in dramatic travel time savings compared to the no-build. For example, average travel time, both northbound and southbound, between SH 45 North and Mopac would be 9 minutes in the express lanes in 2035. Under the no-build, it would average from 42 to 50 minutes during the peak period. Some of the improvements listed here resulted from public input, including the addition of a 4th general purpose lane in each direction, extension of the entrance ramp between Oak Knoll Drive and Duval Road, the addition of a flyover at RM 620, and the addition of more than $5 million worth of bicycle and pedestrian improvements. The proposed project also would include landscaping, erosion control, and aesthetic design treatments, examples of which can be seen on the Context-Sensitive Solutions tab. Paul Schrader will provide more detail on the design of the build alternative later in this presentation. The build alternative is consistent with the purpose and need, requires only 8 acres of additional right-of-way for water quality ponds, and does not require any residential or commercial relocations, avoids and minimizes impacts to water quality, provides safe pedestrian and bicycle access, and causes no harm to threatened and endangered species. Right-of-way would be acquired in accordance with TxDOT's right-of-way acquisition policies.
My name is Paul Schrader with CP&Y, and I'm assisting the Mobility Authority and TxDOT with the 183 North Mobility Project. I'm going to focus the remainder of this presentation on the design elements of the preferred alternative that was evaluated in the environmental assessment. As Andy mentioned, the proposed express lanes would extend from SH 45 North to Mopac. There will be flyovers to and from the express lanes at SH 45 North, RM 620, and Mopac, as well as at several other entrances and exits between these interchanges. The 183 North project would include operational improvements beyond the addition of the express lanes, including a 4th general purpose lane that I will describe in this presentation. The proposed improvements to US 183 would include 2 express lanes in each direction constructed within the median of the existing corridor, 4 continuous non-toll general purpose lanes in each direction. A 4-foot stripe buffer would serve as the delineation between the express lanes and general purpose lanes. A concrete barrier would not be placed between express and general purpose lanes. Frontage roads in both directions would remain as they exist today. The same number of non-tolled lanes currently in place would remain. The preliminary layouts are available for review online.